Hey, welcome back to Guitar and Music Theory for Real People series. This is episode 2. I'm glad you're back, and if you're just joining, don't worry, you can jump in at any time in the video. Today we're going to talk about something a little more visual, the staff, clefs, and where notes go when you write them down. Now before you run off thinking, oh no, sheet music, music theory, notes, I promise this is going to be simple. If I can get this after years of just playing by ear, so can you. So what is the staff? Let's start with this. The staff is basically the paper music is written on. It's made up of 5 lines and 4 spaces. So the lines are numbered from the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the space is also numbered from the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Okay? Each line and space represents a different pitch. So when you see a note on a certain line or space, that tells you exactly which note to play. Now, not all instruments read the same notes the same way. So we use clefs to tell us where the notes start. The treble clef is for high-pitched instruments like guitar, violin, and the right hand of the piano. The bass clef is for lower-pitched instruments like the bass guitar or the left hand of the piano. If you're a guitarist, you'll mostly use the treble clef. If you're a piano player, you'll be reading both clefs, one for each hand. All right, so for the notes on the treble staff, here's the trick that helped me when I was starting out. For the lines, we start from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start with E, G, B, D, F. To memorize these letters, we use every good boy deserves fudge or every good boy deserves fun. For the spaces, we use F-A-C-E, which spells face, so that's quite easy. It's like giving your eyes a cheat sheet. Try looking at a few music sheets and identify a few notes using this. And for those who play piano or bass guitar, the bass clef has its own cheat code too. The lines from the bottom going up is G, B, D, F, A. Good boy, do fine always. For the spaces, we can use A, C, E, G. All cows eat grass. It sounds silly, right? But you won't forget it. All right, quick tip. When I started reading music, I didn't try to memorize the whole staff overnight. I started with the treble clef, space, then the lines, and then the bass clef, space, and then the lines. But it takes a lot of training and reading music a few notes at a time to master the staff. All right, here's a recap of what we learned today in this video. Music is written on a staff with 5 lines and 4 spaces. The treble clef is for higher notes like the guitar, the right hand of the piano. The bass clef is for the lower notes for bass guitar, a lower sounding instrument, and also like the left hand of the piano. You can memorize the notes using some fun little phrases only, a few notes at a time, not the whole thing all at once, okay? So your challenge for this week is take a simple sheet music or even Google treble clef notes or bass clef notes and practice and trying naming 5 random notes each day. No pressure, just build a habit. So if you like this video, keep coming back to the channel. I'll be posting episode 3 of our Guitar and Music Theory for Real People series. So good luck. I'll see you in the next one.